Trusted by professional installers all across the US, our LED mini Christmas lights are the go-to choice for creating beautiful displays that last. So let's dive into everything you need to know about these lights to help you get the most out of them, as well as address some frequently asked questions. Our LED mini lights are rugged, energy efficient, and vibrant, which is perfect for trees, bushes, posts, columns, or other architectural features on a home. Now, one of the most common questions we get is, what is the difference between 6-inch and 4-inch spacing, and how do you decide which to use? If you want the focus to be on a specific design element, like a big tree, choose the 4-inch spacing. With more bulbs on the strand, the lights are brighter and create a more dynamic effect. But if you're looking for a great all-around option that works well in most designs, whether it's trees, bushes, or those architectural features, then 6-inch spacing is perfect. It's also the most popular choice for professional installers. Here's what you need to know about the specs. The 6-inch spacing strands feature 50 premium LED bulbs spaced 6 inches apart on a durable 25-foot wire. The 4-inch spacing strands have 70 bulbs 4 inches apart on a 23.5-foot wire. If you need to go big, it's no problem because you can connect up to 45 strands together seamlessly, covering large installations with ease. And with a low power draw of only 4.8 watts per strand, you can safely run up to 300 strands per circuit with the 80% rule. Our patented one-piece construction ensures these lights are weatherproof and built to last even in tough conditions. They're UL 588 safety compliant, virtually unbreakable, and designed to shine for over 50,000 hours. That is long-lasting brilliance that you can count on. Plus, to save you time, all of our mini lights come pre-balled, making setup and takedown easier and faster than ever. Now let's quickly go over how to store your mini light strands properly at the end of the season. Start by finding the female end of the strand and wrap the lights loosely around your hand several times. Then once you have a few loops, gently slide your hand out and start wrapping up the strand around itself. And it should end up looking something like this. This method keeps your lights neat and tangle-free, so they're easy to unpack next year. What does 50L or 70L mean? That simply stands for the number of lights per strand, 50 lights or 70 lights. The 50 lights are the 6-inch spacing on the 25 feet of wire, while the 70 lights are the 4-inch spacing across 23.5 foot of wire. Can you cut and splice mini lights? So no, mini lights can't be cut and spliced like C9 or C7 strands. Now, how do coaxial lights differ? So coaxial mini lights feature a watertight connection rather than a female plug. This is more for those installations in extremely wet or snowy conditions. If you choose this option, make sure to purchase coaxial accessories. Other than that, the lights are exactly the same. So concave or convex bulbs, what is the difference? So concave bulbs have a caved-in top that disperses light for a softer, more even glow, which makes them the most popular choice. Convex bulbs, on the other hand, have a rounded top for more focused light, which some installers prefer. How do I match mini lights to my C9 bulbs? If you're using commercial elite bulbs, the standard commercial mini lights will match. For Minleon bulbs, use Minleon mini lights. You can also check the Kelvin rating of your lights to ensure a good match. Designed for professionals and built for brilliance, our mini LED Christmas lights are your ultimate solution for stunning displays. And if you have any other questions, you can let us know or visit us at lightsatwholesale.com.